like this. Department number. Next one, some salary from EMP group by what department number. So this query displays department-wise total salary. This query displays what department-wise total salary. So then for 10th department, what is the total? 20th, what is the total? 30th, what is the total? So this query calculates department-wise total. But in this output, instead of showing the department number, I want to show the department name. Instead of showing the department number, I want to show the department name. Okay, but department names are there in department table. But the sum salary is calculated from EMP table, but department names are there in what department table. So you want data from two tables. When you want data from two tables, what do you have to do? Join the two tables. Then what EMPE, what inner join department D on condition E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So these two tables are joined based on the department number. Next, after joining, you want to group the records based on department wise. But in the output, what do you want to show? Department name, then D dot D name. Here also not department number, department name, sum of E dot salary. Sum of E dot salary. Column name should be prefixed with alias, not function. Column should be prefixed. Okay, then so that's all. Okay, na? So execute this query. This query is showing what department wise total salary. Accounts department, research department, sales department, department wise total salary. Okay, then. But how this query is executed internally? How this query is executed? If you run this query, how this is executed? I'm taking this example just once again. Okay, I'm taking this example. So I'm taking two tables, employee table and department table. So let's say this is 20. This is 20. Then next one, 40. This is EMP table and department table. There are two tables here. Okay, next. Then next one, suppose here. First, what is executed? First one. From OK. Next. After from, what is executed is join. Join is executed. So what is the join condition? On E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Then now you'll get the output like this. 1A 3000. Next one 10 accounts. 22B salary is what? 4000. Department number is 20. Department name is what? Research. 3C salary is what? 2000. Department number is 30. Department name is what? Sales. And 4D department number is 3000. Sorry, 10 accounts. Yes. So E 2000 department number is 20. What is the 20 is? Research. So this record is joined to this record. Why you are joining? How it is joined? Based on this condition. Department numbers are equal, then join. So this 10 is equal to 10. This is joined to this one. 20 equal to 20. 30 equal to 30. 10 equal to 10. Then 20 equal to 20. That's all. So after join, you'll get the output like this. After join. What is the next one? What the next one is group by. Group by. Group by. So group by is executed next. And grouping is based on what? Department name. Grouping is based on department name. Okay, na? Grouping is based on what? Department name. So department name wise group the records. So whose departments are same, that becomes one group. Accounts becomes what? Accounts becomes one group. 1A 3000. This is one. Next one what? 4D what? 3000. 4D 3000. This is one. Accounts becomes resets becomes one group. What are the records belongs to this group? 2B 4000. This is one. Next 5E 5E what? 5E 2000. This is one. Next sales becomes one group. Sales department. How many records belongs to this group? One record. What that record is? 3C. 3C what? 3C 2000. This is one group. Like so total how many groups are created? Three groups. So accounts is one group, research is one group, sales is one group. Total three groups are created. And what is the next one is select. What the next one is select. The select is executed. And what select will do? The select will select. Okay, the select will select from each group. From each group it selects. From each group what is selected is department name and some salary. What is the department name? What is the department name? Accounts. The department name is accounts and some salary is what? 6,000. Accounts 6,000. 6,000. Next one what? Research. Research what? 6,000. Research is also 6,000. What the next one is? Sales. There is only one, that is 2,000. That's all. So this is the execution of the query. You write query like this, but internally SQL Server execute the query like this. So first join the tables, next group by based on department name, and from each group it selects department name and total salary. Okay, that's it. Understood. Okay. Now, okay, then, and based on this, okay, based on this, like group by and join. Now, based on the group by and join, okay, if you want to write, you can write. Hmm? Oh. Hmm. Then okay, now okay. Uh, Now you try this. Okay. One table is customer table, customer ID, customer name, customer address. Okay. Customer country, like this. Then this table contains customer details, ID, name, address, country. There is a table, products table, product ID, product name, product price, product category, like this. There is a table, sales table. So one is customer table, one is products table, one is sales table. Okay, sales table, date ID, customer ID, product ID, what is the quantity plus what is the amount. Date ID, customer ID, product ID, quantity, amount. Okay, now then now date ID is like example. Then so this is the table, like just understanding date ID, so and so date, like today 2023-01-23. Customer ID is what? 100, product 10, quantity 1, amount 2000. This is the table. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Is sale. This is the sale. This is a sale. This represents what? Sale. So then so and so day, so and so product sold to so and so customer. So and so day, so and so product sold to so and so customer. How much quantity sold? 1. Or the amount received from customer is 2000. Then, and this customer 100 details are there in customer table. This product details are there in product table. Customer details are there in customer table. Product details are there in products table. There are 3 tables given to you. From these 3 tables, what they're asking is, one question is display what? Category wise total sale, total amount. Next one, display country wise total amount. Next one, display year wise total amount. Display year wise and within year country wise, within country category wise total amount. So display category wise total amount, display country wise total amount, display year wise total amount, display year wise within a year, country wise within country, category wise total amount. Okay, now you try these 4 queries. Category wise total amount. Category belongs to products. Total amount is calculated from sales. The data belongs to 2 tables. You have to join these 2 tables. Can we join these 2 tables? Any common field is there? Product ID. Asking country wise total amount. Country belongs to customers and total amount is belongs to sales. You want data from 2 tables. You have to join these 2 tables. Can we join these 2 tables? Yes, common field is there. Customer ID. Year wise total amount. Year belongs to sales table. Total amount also belongs to sales table. Join is not required. Join is not required. Okay, na? Then next one, year wise, within a year, country wise, category wise, total amount. That means you have to join 3 tables. How many conditions? 2. One is between products and sales. One is between customer and sales. That's best example for joins and group by. Okay. What the next one is set operators. Set operators. Okay. Then what are the set operators? Union, union all, intersect, except. So these operators are called set operators. Union, union all, intersect, except. Union, union all, intersect, except. These operators are called set operators. Okay. Then you know these operators in mathematics. A union B, A intersect B, A minus B. Okay. Then so like suppose A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 5, 6. Suppose if you say A union B, what this gives? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A union all B. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6. A intersect B. 1, 2. A except B. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, na? A except B means elements in A, not in B. What are the elements in A, not in B? 3, 4. If you say B except A, 5, 6. This is in mathematics. In SQL also same, but like in SQL also same. Okay, then. But in SQL also it is same. But in mathematics, it is between what? In mathematics, it is between two sets. In mathematics, it is between two sets. But in SQL, it is between two tables. In SQL, it is between what? Two tables. Not exactly between two tables, between the two query outputs. Okay, na? In SQL Server, set operations performed between okay, then performed between what? Result of two select statements, between the outputs of what? Two select statements. Set operations performed between outputs of two select statements. Okay, then select statement one, select statement one, next one union all, next one intersect, next one except, select statement two. Okay, then select statement one, union all, intersect, except, select statement two. Now, so what is the select statement returns? What is the select statement returns? Select statement. What is the output of select statement? This is select statement. What is the select statement returns? Set of rows. Row one, row two, row three. Any select statement returns set of rows. This query returns some set of rows. This query returns some set of rows. You are performing union between set of rows written by two queries. Okay, na? So these operations are performed between set of rows written by two queries. Output of two select statements. What is the output of two select statements? That is what you can add this. That is set of rows. Okay, then no, update will not return the data. So you cannot combine. Okay, then only select statement return the data. Next, there are some rules here. You need to follow these rules. One rule is both queries must return same number of columns. Okay, both queries must return same number of columns. Number of columns written by both queries must be same. So both queries must return same number of columns, and corresponding columns data type must be same. Corresponding columns data type must be same. Okay, both queries must return same number of columns and corresponding columns data type must be same. These two rules you need to follow. Okay, then next. Okay, now let's see. Ah, first we'll start with what? First we'll start with union. First we'll start with union. What is union is? Union returns what? Union combines rows. Union combines rows written by two queries. Union will combine. Duplicates are what? Eliminated. Duplicates are eliminated. Result is sorted. So combines rows, eliminate the duplicates, and the result is sorted. Okay, combines rows, duplicates are eliminated, result is sorted. Okay, now next. Next, let's take one example. Okay, so like first, let's take, suppose here, select what? Job from EMP where department number equals to 20. So what is this query returns? This query returns what? Jobs of the employees belongs to 20. 20th department employee jobs. 20th department employee jobs. There are 5 employees belongs to 20. It returns 5. Okay, then so this query returns jobs of the employees working for 20. There are 5 employees belongs to 20. So this gives 5 values. Yes, then no. Next, what the next one is? Select job from EMP department number equals to 30. What this query gives? This query gives jobs of the employees belongs to 30. So like let's run this. How many employees? 6 employees. This will return 6 jobs. Understood? Then first query returns what? Jobs of the employees belongs to 20. Next query returns jobs of the employees belongs to 30. So suppose then I write like this. This is 20. This is 20. This is 30. 20, 30. Then what is this is? Union. 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 That means here first query output, second query output is what? First query output, second query output is what? Combines. The first query output, second query output is combined. Okay, then so like tell me what is the output? You read it. You read these 3 points. Tell me the answer. Sir, read the 3 points. First, it will show analyst. Next, it will show clerk. Next, it will show manager. Next, it will show salesman. First, it will show analyst. Next, it will show clerk. Next, it will show manager. Next, it will show salesman. Because both queries outputs are combined. Duplicates are eliminated. So this analyst, clerk is eliminated. Analyst is eliminated. Salesmen are eliminated. Manager is eliminated. All this is eliminated. Okay. Then, so outputs are then what the output is. So analyst, clerk, manager, salesman. That's all. You want to test, you can test. Run this query. So what this gives, you see that analyst, clerk, manager, salesman. Okay, and that's all. Okay. You know. Now, next. Then that's all. This is what union is. Combining both queries outputs, eliminating the duplicate, sorting the out result. Can I write like this? Job comma salary. The first query is selecting job and salary. Second query is selecting job. Possible? I given two rules. Both queries must return same number of columns. First query does 2, but second query does 1. Union is not possible. All queries combined using union intersect except operator must have what? Equal number of expressions in their target list. So number of columns should match. Okay, now? But first query does 2, second query does 1. Number of columns not matching. So this will not work. Okay, then next. Can I write like this? Salary comma job. Can I write like this, salary comma job? So there is one more rule. Corresponding columns data type must be same. What is the data type of job? Varchar. Salary is what? Money. Next, salary is money. Job is varchar. This will not work. Cannot convert character value to money. So this gives error. So these two rules should be satisfied. Can I write like this, job comma salary? Now it will work. Yes or no? Yes. Because number of columns are same, data type also same. What it is combining? It's combining what? Job and salary. Job and salary. Okay. So 20th employee jobs and salaries, 30th employee job and salaries are combined. You'll get the output like this. Duplicates are eliminated or not eliminated? Duplicates are eliminated or not eliminated? Eliminated. Duplicates are eliminated. Sir, duplicates means here don't consider only job. You are not combining job, you are combining job and salary. Job and salary combination is repeated, then it is called duplicate. In actually table, there are two analysts 3450. Actual table contains two analysts earning 3450, but it is showing only one analyst 3450. In table, there are two salesmen earning 1500. Then it is showing only one salesman. Understood? Duplicates are eliminated. That's all. Sir, okay now? Then now next. So one question frequently asked in interviews: what is the difference between union and join? Because union is what? Combining. Join is also combines. Okay, then what is the difference? So union, join. Sir, actually you can merge. Merging means combining. You can merge data in two ways. You can merge data in what's it? Two ways. The data belongs to tables can be merged in two ways. One is called what? Horizontal merge. Another one what? Vertical merge. One is horizontal merge, another one vertical merge. Okay, then horizontal, vertical. So horizontal means rows, vertical means columns. Okay, then combining the rows. Which operation will combine the rows? Union. Union is horizontal merge. Which operation combines columns? E name is the column belongs to EMP table. D name is the column belongs to department table. I want to combine E name and D name. Then join. Join. So like union is horizontal merge. Join is what? Vertical merge. Union combines what? Rows. Join combines what? Columns. Okay. Then so like what is the difference between union and join is then union what? Combines rows. Union is what? Let's say horizontal match. Join is what? Vertical match. Why it is called horizontal match? Because it combines what? Rows. Why this is called vertical match? Because combines what? Columns. Third one, union. Okay, union. Next, union is always performed between two similar structures. Means first query columns, second query column should match. Union, when you're doing union, first query column, second query column should match. Yes, that means union is always performed between two similar, same. But join can be performed between to dissimilar structures. To dissimilar structures. Can we join EMP table and department table? Can we join EMP table and department table? Yes or no? Yes. EMP table, department table, structure is same or not same? Not same. So can we join these two tables? Yes. Can we combine EMP table and department table? No. By using union? No. Because for union, it checks number of columns are matching, corresponding columns data type is matching or not. It checks, but join doesn't need. Okay, na? Then. So these are the three differences between union and join. So one is horizontal match, another one vertical, combines rows, combines columns, performed between two similar structures and performed between two dissimilar structures. See this. What I'm saying, select star from EMP. Union, select star from DEPT. This is possible or not possible? Not possible. So this gives error. Union is not possible because EMP table structure is different, department table structure is different. But can we write like this? Select star from EMPE, inner join department D on E dot department number equals to D dot department number. This is possible or not possible? Possible. Okay, na? You're joining these two tables, EMP table and department table. So join doesn't need that. Okay, then. So you can perform join between two dissimilar structures, but union is always performed between two similar structures. Sir, okay now? Now, so let's take, for example, table 1, field 1, field 2. Field 1, see, like this is A1, B, next one 2, C3. This is the table. Next, suppose field table 2, column 1, column 2. This is what 1, this is what 2, this is what 3, this is 3. What is this is? This is what 10, this is 20, this is 30. Just I'm taking example. I'm taking two tables, table 1, table 2. What I do, I perform union between these two, table 1, union, table 2. What is the output? Table 1, union. Okay, once again, this is also X, Y, Z. Table 1, union, table 2. Okay, once again, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30. Okay, then. So here what? 40, 50, 60. Okay. Now let's see. I perform union between these two. Table 1, union, table 2. Then possible, okay, but what is the output? I'm asking the output. So I just combine this what? F1, C2. Then I'll perform union bars. If I perform union between these two tables, what is the output you'll get? 10, 1, next 22, next one 33, next 41, 140, next 250, next 360. You'll get the output like this. Yes or no? If you do the union, if I do join table 1, join table 2, I join these two tables based on this field. I join these two tables. Then what is the output you'll get? You'll get output like this: 1040, 2050, 2050, 3060. you'll get the output like this. 30, 60. Yes or no? You'll get the output like this. Then, so 10, 40, 20, 50, 30, 60. You'll get the output like this. Okay. Then, so here, what union is doing, combining the rows. This 3 rows and 3 rows become 6 rows. What join is doing, combining the columns. This F1 column is combined with what's that? C2 column. This is the common field. Then combining this F1 and C2. So this is F1, this is C2. Okay, you'll get the output like this. Understood? So that means join is combining the columns, union is combining the rows. 3 rows and 3 rows become 6 rows. Okay. Understood now? Then now another one scenario is so there is a table EMPUS. In this table, one field is ENO, one field is ename, one field is DNO. ENO, ename, DNO. One field is another table, EMP India, ENO, ename, DNO. So what this table stores? Employees working at what? US location. This table stores employees working at what? India location. One table stores employees working at US location. One table stores employees working at India location. So there is one table where the table is DEPT. And what this table stores? Department numbers, department name, next one, location. Department numbers, department names, and locations. So there are 2 tables here. One table stores employees at US, one table stores employees at India. One table stores the total departments in the organization. So these 3 tables are given to you. From these 3 tables, what they're asking is, one is they wanted total employees list. Display total employee list. Tell me how. Huh? Oh, tell me the query. I want total employees list. What? In union or joiner, that's all. Union. Okay, na? Total. So this is 100 employees at US, 100 employees at India. Total 200 employees list I want. Then union. If you do union, you'll get total 200 employees list. Yes or no? What is that is? Select what's star from EMP underscore US. Next union. Select star from EMP. Select star from EMP underscore India. Then, so this query gives employees working at US. This query gives employees working at India. So this query returns 100 rows. This query returns 100 rows. Total, how many rows you'll get? 200 rows. Okay. Next. So, so I want to see the total employee list then. Now, for example, display employees working at US location with department details. Then, so then, like suppose here, see, I'm asking employee working at US location with department details. What this this table contains what employees working at what US location. There are 100 employees working at US. So like what it contains is department number, but what user is asking is department details. If you know the department number, how to get the department details? Join this DNO with this DNO, you'll get the department details. Join this DNO with this DNO, you'll get the department details. Okay, then. So for this query, what you have to do? Join operation. Previous one, total employees. 100 employees are there US, 100 employees are there in India. I want total 200, 100 plus 100, total 200 list. Then what? Union. Okay, now when you do union operation, okay, then so sir, when you do the join operation, here number of rows not changes. Number of rows, what's that? Not changes. EMP table contains 100 rows. If you do join, you'll get less than or equal to 100. If you do join, you'll get how many rows? Less than or equal to 100. Okay, na? Then. But union, this contains 100, this contains 100. 100 plus 100 becomes 200. Okay, then. So what is the query? Select what? E dot star. Next one, D dot star from EMP underscore USE. Next, inner join department D on what? E dot DNO equals to D dot DNO. Okay, so display employees working at US location with department details. Okay, na? Then. So employees working at US location with department details. And then what? Join, yes or no? Okay. Next, I'll ask display what? Total employees with department details. Okay, then display the total employees with department details. Then in this query, you have to do both union and also join. You have to do both. For the first query, what is required? Only union. For second query, what is required? For second query, what is required? Join is required. For third query, what is required? Both union and join. Then, so select what? Total employees. I want total employees. Total employees with the department details. So once again, this gives this query. This query gives what? This query gives employees working at what? This query gives employees working at US location with department details. What this query gives? This query gives employees working at what? India location with department details. First query gives employees working at US. And the second query gives employees working at India. And then union. That's all. So this is the best example to understand when union is required, when join is required, when both are required. Okay, then when union, when join, when both. First, you're performing join and the results are combined with what? Union. Okay, that's all. Now, what the next one is? Next one is union all. Next one is union all. What is union all is? Okay, na? Combines what? Rows. Combines rows. Next, duplicates are not eliminated. Next one, result is not sorted. Combine the rows, duplicates are not eliminated, result is not sorted. Okay, then combines rows, duplicates are not eliminated, result is not sorted. So this is like, now tell me what is the difference between union and union all? These two. What the common is? This is the common. Both will combine, but this will not eliminate the duplicate. This will not sort. Okay, then. So example, same thing. I'll take the same example. Then taking the same example. So now perform what? Union all. If you do union all, then okay. If you do union all, what is the first query output? What is the first query output? clerk, manager, analyst, clerk, analyst. Clerk, manager, analyst, clerk, analyst. This is the first query output. This is the first query output. Okay, then this is the first query output. For the next, this is second query output. This is the second query output. This is the second query output. Second query output. Okay, na? First query output, second query output is what? Combined. So first query output, second query output is combined. But duplicates are eliminated or not eliminated? Not eliminated. Sorted or not sorted? Not sorted. The first query returns 5 values, second query returns 6 values. 5 values plus 6 values. What? 5 plus 6, 11. That's it. So this is also like one question, one question already, union, join, that is important. This also they'll ask, what is the difference between union and union all? What is the difference between union and union all? Okay, what is the difference between union and union all? Then what? Union, what? Union will, okay, union eliminates what? Eliminates duplicates. Union all, duplicates are not eliminated, not eliminated. Second one, sorts result, but the result is not sorted. Result is not sorted. Third one, and then result is not sorted. Next, then here what? Here eliminate the duplicates, sort the result. Next one, which is faster? Union or union all? Union all is faster. This is slower. Union all is faster. Why it is faster? Because it is not doing the extra things. That's that. This is the difference. Okay, then that's all. This is the difference. Next, what is the next one? Intersect. Then what is intersect is, intersect returns common values. Common values from the output of two select statements. Intersect returns common values from the output of two select statements. Okay. Now, same query. intersect returns common. Like suppose I use intersect, then what are the common jobs? What are the common jobs? So that means jobs in 20, jobs in 30. Jobs in 20, jobs in, what are the jobs in 20 and 30? Clerk, sir, 20th jobs are what? Analyst, clerk, manager. 30th jobs are salesman, clerk, manager. What are the common? Clerk and manager is common to both. So this is there in first query output. This is there in second query output. Both these values are there in first query output. These values are there in second query output. That's how. One more operator. After this, intersect, again select, intersect, again select. Anything. Okay. See, tables don't consider. Consider only output. Select statement output. Next. What the next one is? Except. Next one is except. 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 What is except? Returns all rows from except returns what? Like except returns values present in first query output and not present in second query output. So except returns values present in first query output, not present in second query output. Okay. So returns values present in first query output, not present in second query output. Next. So like, see this, what this is except. I use except here. Then what are the jobs in 20 not there in 30? What are the job in 20 not there in 30? What are the jobs in 20 not there in 30? Analyst. Analyst is there in 20, not there in 30. Analyst is there in 20, not there in 30. If I say 30 except 20, job in 30 not there in 20. What is the job in 30 not there in 20? Salesman. Okay. Okay now? No. Okay. Just see. For example, just listen. For example, there are two tables given. Just read. One is what? Home loans customers data. Another one, car loans customers data. There are two tables. One table stores customers taken home loans. One table stores customer taken car loans. What I want is, I want total customers taken loans. Then I want total customers taken loans. Union. Okay, na? Union. I want only the customers taken both loans. I want only the customers taken both loans. What the only the customers taken both loans who are taken both loans intersect. It should be there in home loans. It should be there in car loans. Then what? Intersect. And customers taken, okay, na? Customers taken home loans but not taken car loans. Except customers taken car loans, not taken home loans. Except. So total customers taken loans union. Only the customers taken both loans intersect. Customers taken home loans, not taken car loans. Except. Okay, then. And one question asked like this, then in this, like they're given two tables, table one, what table one, table two. Okay, in this table one, field one, what is this is 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. There is a table two. In the table two, there is a column one. 1, 2, 3. In this 1, 2, 3, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 40, 50, 60. 40, 50, 60. They given these two tables. Okay, they given these two tables. What they asked is, they asked like, like, okay, then. So, like, tell me the what outputs of following operations. They are not asked the queries. What they asked is output. So, output of following operations. One is inner join. One is what? Inner join. Second one, what? Left join. Third one, what? Right join. Fourth one, full join. Fourth one, full join. Fifth one, union. Fifth one, union. Sixth one, union all. Seventh one, what? Intersect. Eighth one, except. Okay. Then inner join, left join, right join, full join, union all, intersect, except. They asked outputs, not queries. Okay. Then because if you can able to tell the output, you can able to write queries also. What is the output of inner join? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 selected or not selected? Not selected because they are unmatched. What the output will get? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Left join 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 10, 20, 30. Right join 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 40, 50, 60. What about full join? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 10, 20, 30, next 40, 50, 60. Union. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Union all. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 40, 50, 60. Intersect. 1, 2, 3. Except 10, 20, 30. Table 1 except table 2. 10, 20. Table 2 except table 1. 40, 50, 60. That's okay. Okay. No. Okay, so we'll continue this in the next class. పనిచేదా? ఓ, అయ్యో. ల్యాప్టాప్. ఇదేంటి? డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అంటుంది. డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఇన్ డేటాబేస్ అంటుంది. టేబుల్ ఉందా లేదా? ప్రస్తుతం టేబుల్ లేకుండా నువ్వు ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయలేవు కదా. మరి దెన్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ ఎర్రర్? సో ఇన్వాలిడ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్ అని వస్తుంది. క్రియేట్ ఎస్ అంటున్నావు. Then uh, uh,